everyone, Michelle Curtin from MK Fit Passion here, and today I am showing you just how easy it is to make your own coconut milk. On my website, mkfitpassion.com, I have a blog article that goes with this that explains why and how to make coconut milk as well to share, to follow up with this video. So there's going to be a little bit of stopping and starting with it, but I think it's great for you to see the whole process. So what you want to do is you want to start with some organic flaked coconut. Trader Joe's has the best version of this. It's $1.99 and it's for 8 ounces. You can get 2 batches of coconut milk out of this, so it's super economical. Basically $2 per half gallon. So what you want to do is you want to measure out 1 cup of flaked coconut. You're going to put it in your Blendtec or Vitamix. I've never tried this in a regular blender, but it's worth trying. But it really does work better in a higher speed blender. So first you're going to put it in there and you're going to blend it for about 20 to 30 seconds. So that was 20 seconds for the sake of this video, but if I wasn't doing the video, I'd probably do 30 seconds, alright? So then what you're going to do is, I have 4 cups of water here, alright, and I'm going to add just 1 cup of that. And it really doesn't have to be exact, alright? Then you're going to blend it for another 20 to 30 seconds. Water. So at this point you have 2 cups of water in there. Repeat, another 20 to 30 seconds. And then you're going to add your last 2 cups of water. When you do this, I would blend it for a minute, but because of the video, I'm going to blend it for about 20 seconds. So basically, 30 seconds for the first cup, 30 seconds for the second cup, and then a minute for the last 2 cups. So the reason that you do it in stages like that is it allows the coconut to blend with the water a lot better. And when you start with just the raw or the flaked coconut and blend that, you're kind of making a coconut butter that can then blend with the water to make the milk. Alright, so then what you need to do is you can take that same large bowl and you're going to need a nut milk bag. This is something you want to get on Amazon. Definitely look at the reviews, whatever's looking good at this point in time. But it's definitely worth investing in a good nut milk bag. And they average, I would say, anywhere between like $10 and $15, alright? So you're going to take your bag, you're going to put it over a medium-sized bowl. Hopefully you can find one that fits. If you can't find a bowl, you can probably use a jar. You're just going to dump your milk into your bag. Alright, it's nice if you have a spatula on hand to kind of scrape the edges. What's left in there is a cream. Full disclosure, when I make this with my kids, or my sons, this is sometimes, you know, the the fun part to like lick, you know, because it's like a coconut cream on the inside. Alright, so you kind of just want to scrape everything down, alright, the best you can, okay? And then, you basically just take your bag, and you're just going to make sure your hands are clean, obviously, and you're just going to squeeze. Alright, here we go. Squeeze on the milk. And believe it or not, it's done. Alright? My hands are a mess. I should have grabbed another towel. I'll just do it with messy hands. So, you're going to take, I like to use mason jars, alright? But you basically made 4 cups of coconut milk. So, you know, one of these jars, alright, I can pour it into that. And then I'll show you what I do next, which is super helpful. Alright, so I'm going to make a little bit extra, only a sip's worth. Use that to taste it, okay? So what I do now is inside this bag you actually have something that kind of resembles coconut flour. If you dried it out properly, it would be coconut flour. You might call it a coconut, I don't know. My little love bug just got up from nap and then finishing up this video. But what you can do is, I like to dump this flour back in the bowl. Would you like some milk? Yeah. Yes, okay. Here, lovey. My little love bug just got up. Here you go, honey. Go see Peyton. Alright, so what I do is I put that coconut pulp in my, and I use my spatula some too, okay? I put that coconut pulp in my bowl. Alright, and okay, here you, thank you. And then I use a container like this, right? And I add my coconut pulp to my container, and I basically stick this in the freezer until I'm ready to do some baking. You can use it in place of any non or gluten-free flour. So I kind of just keep adding coconut puree to my container in the freezer until it gets to be enough that I can use it for pancakes or muffins or breads or whatever. So hopefully you found that simple. One thing I just want to add to you is I did a 1-to-4 ratio for this. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of coconut for 4 cups of water. Full disclosure is I often stretch that to be 5 cups of water just because I don't mind it being a little less creamy, and then I get more for my money, more for my time, and so on and so forth. And if you want it really creamy, you can do a 1-to-3 ratio. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Please like this video and share it with others, and I wish you the best on your healthy lifestyle journey. Bye.